It is true. It is happening. I am making videos again, and I am at Disneyland. Well, Disneyland Park. It's actually raining today. Can you believe that? Anyways, because it's raining, we'll make it very simple. I want to try out Tiana's Bayou adventure. I've never been there. I know hundreds of people have talked about it, but I haven't tried it, so you didn't get the BBG perspective. And I'd like to get some ride footage, but we'll see how the rain turns out, okay? But first, I'm hungry. I just love Earl of Sandwich. I got the Chipotle chicken sandwich. Rainy day today, quite a few people, but I am walking towards Tiana's Bayou adventure. Can't wait to see how it looks like. You know, the funny thing is, I actually have an umbrella in my bag, but holding this phone and walking with an umbrella would be kind of awkward. I mean, I suppose I could do it. There you go. It's not that stressful, but you can't see the background. Oh well. We still have a riverboat and Tom Sawyer Island too. Okay, we're almost there. I guess there are ducks that live here. You know, if I were a duck, I'd want to live here. Free food, safe from predators. Oh yes, here it is. Now I gotta figure out where the entrance is. Bayou country. Okay, it's not too bad. It's 35 minutes. Let's see if they have a single rider line. Well, turns out there is a single rider. But the cast member said it was a little bit long, so we'll see. Oh, I remember this. It's not too long. Okay, I'm in the back seat, which is totally awesome. So here we go.
Let's join Lewis up ahead and find some musicians for our party.
I mean, I was a big fan of Splash Mountain, so I really hope I could be objective.
There are musicians out here and are good.
Whoa! Whoa! Uh-oh, here we go! Oh, yeah! Oh man, my bag. Oh geez. Okay, well that was fun. I've got to say that I think Splash Mountain was better, but I don't know if that's because of the nostalgia factor. I could objectively say that the music at Splash Mountain was better, but it's not that bad. I don't know why people were mean to it. Also, I wish they had a bit more I can't even say the word, you know what I'm saying. Animatronics, that's what I wanted to say, animatronics. Man, it is raining for real. I guess I could do some indoor rides and hope that it dies down later. Pirates of the Caribbean should do the trick.
Keep still. I'm studying the map.
I always thought this scene was funny. Indiana Jones and Temple of the Forbidden Eye.
Snakes. You guys are on your own.
And Space Mountain. Oh, I just love Space Mountain. Okay, well, it's still raining. I wanted to do Matterhorn, get a ride video. You know what? Let me just go check it out then. What is this? Disney Visa card member exclusive photo experience. Oh, cool. There's a meet and greet with Darth Vader. I don't see a meet and greet with Darth Vader. Oh, there it is. Oh, ooh, awesome. Oh, all these different helmets. Oh, wow, that is cool.
I will have you wait here.
Sure. Cool.
I am aware of this sector's reputation. Dealt with. Come closer.
Okay. Well, that was super fun. Well, here's Matterhorn. I think I'll just try to get a ride video, and if it looks good, then we'll put it on, okay? So let's wait for Matterhorn. Okay, I didn't expect to get on so quickly. Bumpy ride. No. Fun ride.
What you think?
Man, I got on Matterhorn so fast I didn't even have a chance to like show myself getting on. But I think I got myself some GoPro video. Anyways, my feet are soaking wet and it's still raining, even though it never rains here. The day I come, that's when it rains. So I am gonna call it a day. I've got a magic key now, so I will be back in Disneyland Resort. So for now, I am the BBG.